Reasons why I like Filmora 14. First of all, if you found a good music but short enough for your video, you can stretch it using Audio Stretch. Audio Stretch will automatically scan your selected audio and stretch it to your desired length. Perfect for easy matching, and you don't have to loop anymore. Next feature is Auto Face Mosaic. This can help you blur out faces you don't want to include in your video, especially when they're requested not to appear in your video. Auto Portrait Cutout. If you're working on a project and you need to cut out your subject from the background, this is a game changer since you won't need any green screen anymore. You can also add some effects and overlays, as Filmora offers so many presets and stock media to choose from. You might also want to generate sound effects using this iSound Effect tool. Generate sound effects that matches your video in few clicks. Don't have much time in producing your short videos for Reels, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts? Smart Short Clip is here to help. Simply upload your long-form video and let Filmora 14 generate your short videos for you. It will automatically adjust the aspect ratio, keep you in the frame, and add dynamic captions to engage your viewers.
Today, I am so excited to share you this educational tutorial because Filmora 13 has their new and disabling the fill and border, changing its color.
Finding the right background music for your video clip. Smart BGM Generator is a big help in just a few clicks. Filmora will automatically scan your video clip and generate the perfect background music for you. Last but not the least, Auto Video Enhancer, wherein artificial intelligence automatically improves the quality of your video, turning a pixelated clip into high-quality video. That's it for this video, and I hope you consider using Filmora 14 for your video editing journey.